the system, it's in our blood. You cannot keep me from looking for love. Don't wanna hide it, ain't gonna lie. I'm on the run till the day that I die. All we are is delicate people. Handle me with compassion and care. Yes, we all are delicate people. Whoa, I might be shaky, I might feel weak. My words may fail me when I try to speak. You know the feeling, well join the club. Just keep on running, don't you ever give up. All we are is delicate people. Handle me with compassion and care. Yes, we all are delicate people. Don't wanna hide it, ain't gonna lie. I'm on the run till the day that I die.
Everybody needs love and affection. Everybody wants some love and then affection.
All we are is delicate people.
Everybody needs love and affection.
Yes, we all are delicate people.
Everybody wants some love and then affection.
All we are is delicate people. Handle me with compassion and care. Yes, we all are delicate people. Whoa, yes, we all are delicate people. Whoa, yes, we all are delicate people.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Hello friends. If you want to grow guava tree by air layering like this at home, then you can follow this technique. Step 1. First, you need select the perfect branch. Select a healthy and vigorous guava branch from a good variety. Make sure it's free from pests or diseases. Using a sharp, clean knife to make 2 circular cuts about 1 inch apart around the selected branch. Carefully remove the bark between these cuts to expose the soft white layer underneath, called the cambium. This layer is essential. It stops the flow of nutrients, triggering the branch to grow roots at this point. Gently remove the green layer of tissue beneath the bark. Step 2. The secret ingredient: tomatoes. Here's a clever trick. Take a ripe tomato and cut it in half. Scoop out the seeds and pulp, leaving the juicy outer shell. Place this tomato half over the exposed area on the branch, then stick it with a toothpick. Why use a tomato? Tomatoes are rich in moisture and nutrients, keeping the branch hydrated, which is essential for root development. Step 3. Take a 250 ml plastic cup. Cut one side of the plastic cup. Set it on the branch, and secure it with electrical tape. Step 4. Now, take the cocoa peat and wet the cocoa peat with water. Fill the cup completely with moist cocoa peat. Cocoa peat is a lightweight, organic medium with excellent water retention. If you don't have cocoa peat, use garden soil, but make sure it's damp and crumbly, not dry or compacted. Step 5. Timing is everything. For the best results, attempt air layering during the spring or summer months. Step 6. Wait for results. After 45 days, I'm opened. Look, friends, how beautiful roots have grown. Once the roots are well developed, carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Now, I will plant this tree in a pot. If you want, you can plant directly into the ground. Then, water the new plant thoroughly. Step 7. In about 6 months, your guava tree will grow strong and healthy, ready to bear delicious fruits.